all GTA and launcher processes. Most common fix. 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC open Task Manager. 2. End all of these if running. GTA5.exe, play GTA.exe, GTAV Launcher.exe, Rockstar Games Launcher, Steam if using Steam, Epic Games Launcher if using Epic. After ending everything, restart PC, try again. This fixes it 70% of the time. Number 2, restart Rockstar Games Launcher service. 1, press Win-R. Type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3, find Rockstar Games Library Service. 4, right-click Restart, then launch GTA 5 again. Number 3, delete temporary Rockstar cache, very effective. 1, press Win-R. 2, paste. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3, delete the folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Delete. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC, try again. Number 4, verify game files. If using Steam, right-click GTA 5, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity. If using Epic, Library, click 3 dots, verify corrupted files can cause this error. Number 5, run as administrator. Right-click, Rockstar Launcher, GTA5.exe, run as administrator. Number 6, disable overlays, common hidden cause. Disable Discord overlay, GeForce Experience overlay, MSI Afterburner, Xbox Game Bar overlays sometimes lock the process. Number 7, clean boot if nothing works. 1, press Win-R, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3, go to Services, check Hide Microsoft Services. 4, disable all remaining services. 5, restart PC, try launching again. If you use 5M, sometimes 5M leaves GTA in background. Open Task Manager, end, 5m.exe, any GTA processes, then try again. If it's still not working, tell me, are you using Steam or Epic, Windows 10 or 11? Does Rockstar Launcher open? I'll give you the exact targeted fix.